Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. Today we are making a quick and easy recipe using a can of creamy mushroom soup. Look at this, guys. This is so tasty, so yummy. So if you are looking for something light, something meatless, vegan style, something low fat, this is such an awesome recipe. Basically what I did, I saute one minced garlic into about half tablespoon of butter. Then I add a can of creamy mushroom. I used the 10.5 ounce. I add 1 cup of frozen spinach, half cup of corn. I add about 2 tablespoons of water and I allow it to cook on low heat until the vegetables are tender. Then I add about quarter teaspoon of black pepper to give it a nice taste. And there you have it, guys. A delicious way to enjoy a creamy mushroom soup.